One way to understand how climate change is affecting the world is to look to the forest. Forest ecosystems regulate climate, store and filter water, provide food and fiber, and serve as recreational areas and sacred spaces. But they are facing dramatic changes with ecological, economic, and social consequences. In this course, we examine the status of forests across the world, learn how forest composition drives important ecosystem processes, and discuss how restoration and management can increase their resiliency and harness their productivity to mitigate carbon emissions and climate change. Students learn ecological theory and practical skills. They practice field and laboratory methods and write a paper in the style of an academic journal article. Whether they plan to go to graduate school, work in the sciences, or take a science-adjacent role that involves interpreting science for others, students will finish the course with hands-on experience with the scientific process and a crucial understanding of forests' importance in our world.